A roll of aluminum foil sits on the counter. A plastic ziplock bag crumples in your hand. A ballpoint pen rattles in the drawer. A rubber band stretches between your fingers. A packet of instant coffee tears open. These 5 items cost less than $10 on Earth. In deep space, they're worth more than the entire ship. The hull just took a micrometeorite hit. Air is leaking from a puncture the size of a pinhead. The pressure gauge drops 1% every 30 seconds. You have 12 minutes before the cabin depressurizes completely. The emergency patch kit is in the cargo bay, floating somewhere among 1,000 unsecured items. You can't reach it in time. These 5 cheap objects are your only hope. The automated repair system detects nothing. Sensors can't locate holes smaller than 5 millimeters. The repair drone's battery died 3 weeks ago. Replacement parts haven't arrived yet. The sealant gun is frozen solid from temperature fluctuations, its nozzle cracked during the last EVA mission. Smart foam expands too slowly in low-pressure environments. It needs atmosphere to activate properly. The station's AI suggests waiting for mission control instructions. Radio delay is 14 minutes each way. You'll be unconscious before they respond. The backup oxygen masks are depleted from yesterday's drill. Manual overrides require tools you don't have access to. Every high-tech solution assumes you have time, resources, or help. You have none of those things. The air tastes thinner already. Your ears begin to pop from the pressure change. The alarm screams through every speaker. Red lights pulse across the control panel. Tear off 2 feet of aluminum foil. Fold it into a thick square pad. Press your thumb into the center to create a shallow bowl shape. Drop the instant coffee into the foil bowl. Add 3 drops of water from your drinking pouch. The coffee granules dissolve into a thick paste. Stir it with the ballpoint pen until completely mixed. The paste turns dark brown and sticky. Smear the coffee mixture onto the foil pad. Coat it evenly across the entire surface. Place the Ziploc bag over the coffee paste. Press down firmly to create a seal. The plastic adheres to the wet coffee. Stretch the rubber band around your wrist twice. Hold the foil pad against the hull where the hissing sound is loudest. The coffee paste fills microscopic gaps in the metal. Press harder for 10 seconds. The vacuum pulls the assembly tight against the breech. Wrap the rubber band around the foil edges, loop it 3 times to maintain constant pressure. The coffee hardens instantly in the cold vacuum. It forms an airtight plug stronger than epoxy. The aluminum foil distributes the pressure load. The Ziploc bag prevents the coffee from cracking. The rubber band holds everything in position. The hissing stops. Silence fills the cabin. The pressure gauge stabilizes. You breathe normally again. The makeshift patch holds for 6 hours until proper repairs arrive. Coffee costs $2 per jar. Aluminum foil costs $3 per roll. Together, they created a vacuum seal that survived deep space. The cheap items in your kitchen drawer aren't just convenient. They're potential life support systems waiting to be discovered. What's in your pocket right now that could save someone's life?